Hi, I'm Dr. Somlina. I'm a final year MD Radiology resident at a government medical college in Kolkata, and I'm trying to make relevant videos for medical students, NEET PG aspirants, and residents. So, in today's video, let's address the elephant in the room. How many GTs should we be giving in the last 1 month of NEET PG examination? Now, let's get this question correct. The question should not be how many GTs we should be giving. Instead, it should be more personalized, as in how many GTs should I be giving preferably, because this decision depends upon the person that you are. We all know that last 1 month of preparation is a very sensitive period in which we should take our decisions based on how we have understood ourselves, how our mind is going to react. So the answer is going to change for different people. If you talk about me, I used to be a very sensitive person during my NEET PG preparation, because whenever I got to know the marks and ranks in my GTs, I would be facing two emotions. Number one was low mood. Depression, I'm not saying, because they were very temporary. Temporary low mood or sadness I used to feel whenever my GTs went well below my expected results, and that sadness or low mood was very harmful for my further preparation, because the next 2 days I would spend in that low mood and my energy used to reduce. I could not give my 100% to my studies, and I used to keep thinking, what is the use of my studying for so many days, so many months, sacrificing all the good things in life if I'm not able to score well or get a good rank in the last few days of the examination. So all these things would eat up my mind, and that would affect my preparation a lot. But the good point is, at least whenever I got a bad score in my GTs, I had so many things to improve. I could understand, I could realize what are the things I'm lacking, and I could act to, correct those mistakes. However, that is just one part of the story. The next part of the story was, which happened to me in the last 3 GTs, was when I used to score very good, that is well above my expectations. After giving such GTs, my feelings were much more painful. I used to become very anxious, thinking, what if I have spent or wasted all my energy in this examination? If my scores in GT were very good, my total negative markings or wrong answers were less, and because my wrong answers were less, I had very less things to improve, so that would give me a pseudo confidence that I have prepared everything. But the truth is, none of the questions, almost 99.9% of the questions, are not going to be similar. So if I'm getting a very good score now, it is not necessary that this scoring will mirror itself on the final day of the examination. So that you have to keep in mind. But mind does not function in the most logical way whenever we are in the face of a crisis, right? I must need to make this thing clear from the very starting of the last 1 month, whether I want to give or I don't want to give a GT, or if I am giving, how many GTs I should be giving. I gave my last GT 20 days before my final NEET PG examination. See, GT प्रैक्टिस करना एंड क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यूज प्रैक्टिस करना दो बहुत ही अलग चीजें हैं. In GT, you need to simulate examination like condition. You have to give a complete 3.5 hours. That's why you need to make the decision very judiciously. On the other hand, when you're solving custom modules or just very selected MCQs from selected topics, you can give as many number of hours as you want, right? So we need to make this decision very judiciously, because practicing questions is very much necessary. However, giving too much time may also be deleterious, because you could have very well utilized that time to revise. So from my limited knowledge, what I would like to suggest to you is, agar aap mere jaise nazuk hai, if you are very emotionally vulnerable, best is do not give GTs at least 2 weeks before the examination, so that you can maintain your sanity, but do not stop solving MCQs. However, if you have mastered the stoic behavior during your entire medical years, you can keep giving GTs even till the last 5-6th day of the examinations also. So the decision of how many GTs you will be giving and the last GT you are going to schedule how many days before the examination, that is totally your call. I have provided to you the two perspectives that I had within me. Now you make the decision because you know yourself better than me. I hope you will do justice to the time that is left. I'm sure you will do your best to utilize and give your 100% to the last 1 month of the long marathon that you have been running. And I'm very sure you will turn out to be a winner. Good luck, all the best. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye.